Following World War II, from the mid-40s to the early 60s, the Western genre dominated Hollywood. What did we love about it? The escapism and the clear distinction between the hero and the villain. Simple, moral stories that we can attach ourselves to and really connect with. Fred Zinnemann's classic, High Noon, is a great example of the Hollywood Western of that time. Gary Cooper embodies a moral sheriff who has to face a gang on his own. Now, generally, Westerns take place in this vast open landscape, but in this film, it's in a small town, and it takes place in real time over 85 minutes. So this builds tension. There's a sense of urgency, and we're with Gary Cooper the whole time. If I were in his situation, could I do the right thing? Could I stand up to these gang members when nobody else is coming to help me out? Unlike most Hollywood narratives, High Noon doesn't rely heavily on the shootouts throughout the entire film. It's more focused on character development. Our two main characters were just married, and Amy Kane, played by Grace Kelly, is trying to get him to run off to safety so they can live a life together. If Will Kane took her up on that offer and ran to safety with her, would it have been a long, happy marriage? Or would Marshal Will Kane constantly be thinking about the responsibility that he ran away from as Marshal? And more importantly, if he did run away with his wife, would she respect him as much? And lastly, we can never underestimate the power of a score to enhance a movie. In Westerns, we usually get a sweeping score that takes us out west so we can be there. But in High Noon, it's a minimalist score. Dmitri Tiomkin's "Do Not Forsake Me, Oh My Darling" sets the mood, the emotional tone, and builds the gradual tension throughout. It drew me in. Does it draw you in? Now go check out High Noon and see what inspiration you can draw from it. And check out the other Western classics like Sergio Leone's The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly, Clint Eastwood in Unforgiven, John Ford's The Searchers, Sam Peckinpah's The Wild Bunch, and Kevin Costner directs and he stars in Dances with Wolves. That's enough to get you going. Now leave your favorite Western in the comments below. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and always remember, I love you.